A very good morning, children. So, as you can see, I am there at page number 130, exercise 14.1. So, first we are going to deal the MCQs, starting with the first one. A simple closed curve where every point of which is equidistant from a fixed point is called, you already know this, it's circle. And that fixed point we call center. The distance between any point on a circle and the center is called, we know that it is radius. The longest chord of a circle. Okay, these MCQs are from the points which I gave in the CW yesterday, children. So you can directly mark them. The longest chord of a circle is diameter. Very important point, children. If the radius of a circle is 6 centimeters, then its diameter is going to be 2 times 6. As we are going to discuss these problems in the exercise, just for the time being, 2 times 6 is 12. So mark it 12 centimeters. Then if the diameter of a circle is 8 centimeters, then its radius is, as you can see, we have to divide 8 by 2, which gives us 4 centimeters. Just mark the answers as I am doing here. Now the sixth one, children. A part of the circumference of a circle is called arc. Okay. A part of the circumference of a circle is called arc. Now let us switch to CW, children. Second question is about drawing a circle. I will show you how to do that. So we'll show you how to draw the circle. Point into the second question. So children, now we are going to draw the circle being the part of the second question of exercise 14.1. So as you can see, the question is, I wrote with black, but as you know, we are writing the question with, I wrote with blue. As we are writing the question with black, you please make use of black. Black is not readily available with me. So the question is, draw a circle whose radius is 3 centimeters. Whose radius is 3 centimeters. So very simple, children. As we did for the construction, we have to measure from 0 to 3. Okay, so 0, keep this sharp edge at 0 and move this pencil exactly by measuring 3 centimeters. Now as I did, you draw each circle on a single page. Okay, try not to draw 2 circles on the same page. So you will write the question and you can keep it at any point, no problem. But if it comes in the middle, that looks good. So then freely you have to draw an circle like this. Okay. So just by rolling the top of it, you are going to get the circle of radius 3 centimeters, children. And if you observe here, that sharp edge will create a point here. That one is the that one is the center. Mark it O, for example. Okay, usually we will mark radius with the alphabet O. Now what we are going to do is, from the center of the circle to the boundary of the circle, draw a line. Okay. Now mark it OA. As we already kept here O, then take A. As they give that length is going to be 3 centimeter. This here you write 3 centimeter. Now the verification whether our circle is correct or not can be taken from this radius. If our radius is exactly, that means the length of this line segment is 3 centimeters, then our circle is correct. Otherwise it is going to be wrong. I hope you understood, children. Very easy. First on the scale, you will take the measure of 3 centimeters and then you will draw the circle with that radius. Now I am going to show the second one, children. So look carefully. Now the second question, children. So we have to draw a circle by taking the radius 4.2 centimeters. As usual, we will keep this sharp edge on 0, and from 0 here is 4, then one shortest dash and then the second shortest one. That gives us 4.2. You already learned this while we are constructing the triangles. So after 4 you will see 1, 2. That one is 4.2. Okay, after 4 the first line and then the second line gives us 4.2. So without moving the pencil on this page, draw a circle with the radius of 4.2 centimeter. Okay children, and as usual that point we will mark as O, and from O to the boundary of this circle we'll draw a line and we will mark it OA. No problem. For the same circle you can put OA, no problem. And the verification is that it should be exactly 4.2 centimeters. That means the radius should exactly be 4.2 centimeters, which gives us our construction is correct. Now what we have to do is, children, do this first one and second one in the CW, and third one you do as a homework for today. I hope you got the point, children. Draw the first circle and the second circle in the CW. The third one you will draw in the HW. I hope you got the point. So today you have to write the textbook and CW and draw that third one in homework. That's all for today. We'll meet you in the next class. Have a great day ahead, children.